So using Microsoft Copilot, what you can also do is write a movie script. All you need to do is give it an outline and it'll generate out a movie script for you. So I'm going to go around and say write a movie script for this concept right here. So I'm going to go around and say a boy in Myanmar, Yangon, dreamt of becoming an anime artist and then finds a way to travel to Japan and succeed right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that and press enter, then what happens is that this particular concept is actually sent right here, and then you can see that it goes ahead and writes a movie script right here. So you can see that Act 1, the dream, location, Yangon, Myanmar characters, aim 18 aspiring artists, as you can see right here, is writing this movie script right here, just like this, in different acts as well, just like this. So I'm going to go around and say write a movie script in a proper format with dialogues as well. So if I were to go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it'll go ahead and then write down the a movie script in proper way with the dialogues as well, as you can see right here. And this is how you can go ahead and then write in movie script using Microsoft Copilot. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.